Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Hodder again today. And today is our last day of writing for a while. And what I'm going to talk to you today about is publishing. It is the last step of the writing process. We have gone through the whole writing process now. Can you believe that? The writing process is what you will use every time you start a piece of writing, okay? Making sure you plan and brainstorm. Make sure you draft, revise, edit, and publish. So cool stuff. Today, of course, I said is going to be publishing. So what is publishing? We'll go over to the anchor chart and check it out. So the anchor chart says publishing, well, you've used your revisions and your editing corrections to, number one, rewrite your story. Of course, number two, use your very best handwriting. I know that sometimes that's hard for some of you, so all we ask as teachers is that you do your best. That's okay. Number three, use a pencil to write. And if you're drawing a picture with it, which we haven't done this time, you can use crayons, but I haven't asked you to do that yet. Number four, make all corrections from revising and editing, making sure that I'm guilty of this too. Like I am publishing and I will start to write what I said at the beginning, like without all my revisions. I'm like, oh no, I have to erase that because I revised that and I edited that. So I have to make sure I put that in my published piece right. Number five, be proud of what you did. You have worked very hard on this. The writing process will get easier and easier every time we complete one. And this time we just took our time. We had to define them all and understand them all before we could go through it. So make sure you worked hard, you finish it up good. Be very proud of what you did, okay? And number six, share your work. Well, these last 4 times we have shared our work with our teacher. Each time I have you do a part of the writing process, you take a picture and you send it to them. So today is another day of making sure after you publish, you take a picture and you send it to your teacher, your final piece, okay? All right, let's get started with our next Canvas slide.